Jump between Zilio and Pascual. Ball possession goes to Bobby Francisco. Baseline drive. Taking shot. In and out. Rebound. Florida. Here comes Daria. Pass to Casey Marcelo. Feed down the basketball. Goes to midcourt line. Pass to Jomari Arguelles. To midcourt three. Dito mira. Arguelles. Napakalalo niyan. Here comes Del Rosario. Pick up the board. Number 16. Feed down the basketball. Del Rosario. Make it full. Drop to Imal Montes. Miss. Rebound. Batang. Batang. Domingo Villos. First 2 points of the ball game. Mr. Basic. Stop shot. Miss. Put back. Grab the lane. That's right. Anticipated by Gino. Bobby Francisco to Imal Montes. Rebound. Montes. Tic-tacking move. Marco Polo move. Traveling violation. Rebound by Marcelo. Pass to Arguelles. Here comes Jomari Arguelles. Arguelles. Screen by Del Rosario. To JC Marcelo. Marcelo looking for Gino. Taking shot. JC Marcelo. Inbound number 8, pass number 16, number 18. Here comes number 15 also. Then Rosario, drop pass. Domingo Tino. For 3. Naiwan ng libre. For 3, Miss. Rebound. Tino. Forward pass. Bobby Francisco naman. Passing to the midcourt line. Alas by Arguelles. Francisco, make it forward, making shot up to Montes. Too strong. Rebound, Montes, out of the side. Right down, Montes. 6-3. Here comes Jomari Arguelles, alas by Bobby Francisco, make it move. 2 points, Jomari Here comes Bobby Francisco. Here comes Giovanni Cedillo. Make it full, make it shot. He takes Cedillo. Here comes Marcelo. Former player of Boston. Marcelo, pass to Arguelles. Arguelles looking for 2. Binigyan ng screen. Here comes Marcelo. Pass to Mr. Basic. Miss, rebound. Pick up by Arguelles. Arguelles for 3. Arguelles for 3. Score first. Tie of the ball game. 8-8. Francisco, pass to Del Rosario. Del Rosario, pass to Francisco. Francisco, pass to Titingalet. Too strong. Giovanni Cedillo, put back. Giovanni Cedillo. Here comes Marcelo. And one whistle. Called by referee Noy, foul number 15. 8-10. Tied up by 2. Yes, rebound. Pick up by Michael Montes. Pass to Bobby Francisco. Here comes Bobby Francisco. Make it go. Drop to Adrian Ligo. Stop shot. Short. Francisco. Montes. Block by Alain Pascual. And the other whistle, 15 pounds. J.R. Monigo, shoot point 2. First try, too strong. Remaining time, 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Second try. Smith, 30 for J.R. Monigo. Here comes Jesse Marcelo crossing to the midcourt line, looking for his teammate. Here comes Mr. Basic. Florida, 4-3. Giovanni Cedillo. Arguez, make his move. As of Florida. Mr. Basic. Good win. 2 points. Joe Florida. Advance back to Francisco. Pass to Titi Galet. Giovanni Cirilo, baseline back. Pinararo. Crossing the ball. 2 points. Giovanni Cirilo. Remaining time, 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Here comes Casey Marcelo. Pass to Mr. Basic. Joe, Florida. Cabo Bata. Florida, pass to Arguez. Arguez. Looking for 3. Hindi tumira. Arguez pa din. Pass to Marcelo. Look out for Mr. Basic. For 3. Pass to Florida. Florida. For 3. Change table. 16-15. Here comes Ivan. Stand up! Ganda na. Here comes Verdes, number 45. Paso Arguez. Aras daw ng Kimon dito. Hindi ka napiti masyado. Looking for Jimmy Disian. Pasakan. Giovanni Arguez. 3 points. Adrian Ligo. 19-19. Labang ang comedy. Here comes Verde. Anticipated by Adrian Ligo. Athletic group. Round robin layup. Adrian Ligo. Change table. Kali top by 2. 21-19. Here comes Deng. To Arguez. Arguez. Baseline guard. Back to Pacheco. Pacheco. Sinagawan. Sinagawan. Pat, we have a whistle and that is a foul. Inbound by Ligo back to Fabio Francisco to Otto Velasco. Here comes Velasco, bounce pass to Adrian Ligo. Back to Velasco. Make his move. Make his shot. 2 points. Otto Velasco. 4 point lead. Kali to Pera. Pervez. Mr. Basic. Miss. 2-on-2 situation. Adrian Ligo. 25-19. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Fabio Francisco, cutting Montes, taking shot, using the board. Michael Montes. Velasco. Remaining time 1 minute and 45 seconds. 29-21. Kali top by 8. Championship Series. Florida, baseline drive, step shot. Joe Florida. Here comes Fabio Francisco, dribbling the basketball. With 16 on the shot clock. Otto Velasco, Aras. Step shot for release. No Pacheco got the board. Get it through. Giovanni Arguez. Here comes Arguez. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Florida. Seconds on the shot clock. 20 to shoot. Signaling the play. Number 27. Harassed by number 24. Here comes Adrian Nico. Make his move. Make his shot. Miss. Rebound. Take. And we have a whistle. Whistle that is a foul on number 3. Adrian Nico. First down. Second. 13 pounds. Here comes Julia Senior. Abaw. Here comes Abaw. Looking for Jay. Pass to Luka Siyempre. Back to Abaw. Luka Senior. Take a shot. Miss. Rebound. Adrian Nico. Pass to Maxi Mondigo. Here comes JR. JR. Take his move. Take his shot. And nabigan. And you have a whistle. 4-2. Remaining time, 24 seconds. 0.2 of a second. Difference from shot clock. Second try. Miss. Rebound. Contest. Pass to Bungo. Wala ng shot clock. Velasco. Take. Contest. Reboot. 10 seconds. First try is good. Second try. Five point 5 seconds. Deep, rebound, 10. Forward pass. Verde. Nasa diba, nagawan. At naubos na ang oras. End of the first quarter. Score 30-23. Cali top by 7 over Barangay Pera. Cali. Inbound, Arbuyes to Velasquez. Signaling the play. Rebound Abaw, Villaseñor. Paso niya ni Allen Pascual. Paso niya Maria Arbuyes. Aras na isang gol. Isang Arbuyes. Segit move. Paula number 6. Here comes Coach Jan. Jan Velasquez. Segit move. Nakawala. Lisa. Puso. Rebound kay Bungo. Here comes El Rosario. Islamic move. Paso Toro Samson. Make it move. Bungo. Marvin. Benyon. Siyam na ang halaman. We have a whistle. Number 27. Warning for taking a foul. First try by Abaw Villaseñor is good. Second try. 2 for 2. Abaw Villaseñor. Marvin Miguel. Pass to Del Rosario. Del Rosario picking up the basketball. Crossing to the midcourt line. Take his move. Take his shot. Kick out. Dan Panosas. Ipaga. Restore. Jojo Velasquez. Signaling the play. Go Maria Arbuyes. Receive. Aras by Junior Zambon. Binigyan ng pick. Arbuyes. Pass to Aspa. Pass to Arbuyes. Arbuyes. Pass to Japan. Natapigan. Here comes Martin. Pass to Rosario. Pass to Samson. Samson. Remaining time 8 minutes 20 seconds. Angel Escobilla. Samson. Back to back. 2 points for Italia. Pandanasas. Arbuyes. To Abaw. Rebound. Pascual. Pass to John Velasquez. John. Pastor Samson, harap Faisal Velasquez. Marvin Billion. 7 minutes 30 seconds. Jo Maria Ruiz. Here comes Ajani. Please, rebound. Pascal pa rin. Pascal, nasa depan. Si Abaw na natin owner. Short, ang tira, ni Abaw. Samson, dribbling the basketball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. De Rosario, harap kay Aguirre. De Rosario, 10 seconds on the shot clock. The ball goes out of bounds. De Rosario, dangerous Cubinia, makes that shot, taking it. Patay. Evans Arguyes, 6-second field, Arguyes straight, stop shot for Jay. This, rebound, Senillo. Senillo, Pastor Samson, pick down the basketball, harap by Emilia Senyor. Emilia Senyor to De Rosario, Singaring Gabay, harap by Arguyes. De Rosario, nasundan, naagawan, Coach Jan. Coach Jan, shoot for 2. First line, story miss for Coach Jan Velasquez. Trivia, Coach Jan Velasquez, the former coach of Venezuela Classic. Pareha. Here comes Jan Velasquez. Pass to Jo Maria Ruiz. 4J from downtown. Story miss. Rebound. Here comes Stevie Galet. Here comes Stevie. Take that. Make it go. Get to point. Evan Pera. Ang dami nyo. Pera. Stop na yan. Mamaya, 39-27, 6 minutes, 5 seconds, Tamamang Kali. Here comes Coach Jan. Jan Velasquez shooting the basketball, singaling the basket. Abaw. Abaw making shot, shooting the ball. Kasagan. Abaw. Bella Senyor. Here comes Bobby Francisco. Pass to Titi Galet. Under goes down. Sebano. Senillo. 41-29. Jan Velasquez. Singaling Gabay. Paso Abaw Bella Senyor. Abaw pa rin. Drop to Ali. Ali Pascal. Pascal pa rin. Bang. Making shot. Using the ball. Pasagan. Para right. Sabi. Pascal. 31-41. 10 ang lamang ng Kali. Over Pera. Bobby Francisco. Harap kay Abaw Bella Senyor. Sinyo Maliksik. Contest naman. Sinyo Maliksik. Jo Maria Arguyes. Got the ball. Bring down the basketball. Pass to Usime. Back to Jo Maria Arguyes. Pass to Coach Jan Velasquez. Take his move. Take shot. Kanan. Too strong. Pascal. Pull back. Xavier Pascal. Airborne. Joe Florida inbound by si Marcelo. Marcelo bring down the basketball, crossing between court 9. Marcelo looking for his teammate. Pass to Joe Florida. He's going to make his move, make his shot. Jumper, supply. Rebound, back up, put down. 2 points. Joe Florida. 41-25. Anim na lang. Bobby Francisco, Singaling Gabay. Harap kay Abaw Bella Senyor. David Tino. Para kay Luzol. Tino. Gatang. 2 points. Wala na naman. 3 minutes, 45 seconds. Kaya yung Pascal. High for the rebound. Bigyan na ako. Katalip. Sabi. Team. Check second for Alain Pascual. Bobby Nino. Basket count. Foul on. 13 foul Pera. 20 shots for Nino. Pasok yan. Time out. Barangay Pera. First time. Kabali. Pasok. Isa pa para kay Deng. 2.2. 46-37. Pinakita sa Bobby Francisco. Francisco. Shooting capacity. Pasok konti. Giovanni Sergio. Arbuyes. Binigyan ng pick ni Deng. Arbuyes pa rin. Make his move. Stumble. Number. Using the ball. Giovanni Arbuyes. Here comes Francisco. Harap na JC Marcelo. Binigyan ng pick ni Tumante. Francisco pa rin. Harap na Deng. CJ Malinche. At tapigan pero di nagawan. CJ pa rin. CJ Malinche pa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bobby Francisco from downtown. Hit. Evia Montes. Paso Francisco. Paso Montes. Paso Imaw. Jump shot. Montes. Hit. Rebound. Montes. Punta. Too strong. Montes rebound. Kumalaro. Offensive foul. Foul on number 5. First foul on Montes. Garida, punta, using the ball. Pasok yan. Pito na lang ulit ang inahabol ng Barangay Pera. 48 o 41 ang score. Regards data, Dino. Pasto natin, Mondigo. Top out. Kaya mo whistle. Dapat para na. Naubos ang lakas. Skip for Domingo Dino. 33 seconds. Andre Baroga. 24 seconds. 20 seconds. Number 27, Otto Velasco, out of
Shot.
the playing goal. First try. Pasok. Parehas. Tatlo na lang.
Two shot, pasok.
Ang niliabon. 17.7 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Airball. Running time. Running time, coach. Ligo, Pino, para sa Binao, Salas, Arguyes, Verdes, Pascual, Roman, Michael Mendez, here comes Luis Salas, Salas pass to Verdes, Salas to Verdes, here comes Verdes, Salas kay Monaco, Verdes, zigzagging mo, Adrian Ligo from JR Mondigo. Verdes, paso, Gonzala. Florida, fly high. Ligo on the rebound. Francisco, paso, Gati Mondigo. Joe Maria Arguyes. Segundo de mismo. Arguyes, Villa de Vasco. Kick out. Inbound by Pascual. Pass to Florida. Florida, jump shot. This rebound. Montes. Forward pass. Adrian Ligo. Bounce pass to Montes. Drive. Nice up. Back the other way. Montes. First one.
Okay lang kahit yung tres pa naman. Hindi namin matiraan.
2-2. Left. Ligo, inbound pass to Bobby Francisco. Ganyan talaga kasi di pa yung ano natin eh, kasari na. Tapos na yan, yung presidente. Hotel makabuhay. Traveling. Verdes to Pascual. Pascual back to Verdes. Bring down the basketball. Crossing to the midcourt line. Tap out by Ligo. Arguyes. Receive the basketball. Binigyan ng pick in Florida. Arguyes pa rin from before he's leaving. Pass to Apaw Villaseñor. Miss, rebound, fly high. Jadi Alain Pascual. Last 2 points. Put back. 48-55. Kali pa rin. Kamukha nagbabantayan. Sampo na naman ang hinahabol ng mga taga-pera. Arguyes. Tuaba. Florida. Looking for three. Dito nila. Florida for three. Amazing Florida. 3 points. 58-59. With 7 minutes 12 seconds. Here's Michael Montes. Making for a 30 shot. Miss. Back out. No shot back. 14 seconds to shoot. Masyadong malakas. Bobby Francisco recover. Carbon. Ito mo yung sa out of bounds. In favor of Pera. 6 minutes 40 seconds. Here comes Joe Maria Arguyes. Arguyes looking for his teammate. Make his goal. Arguyes pa rin. Arguez, Nasibiban, Florida, chasing down. Time out, Team Gary! With 6 minutes, 19 to the Arguez, Apaw Villaseñor para sa pera. In the lead to Del Rosario, Wigan Del Rosario, Rosay, Apaw Villaseñor, Del Rosario, number 16, paso number 5, Montes. Montes. We have a whistle. Who's fired? That point, Titing Sinillo. Pasok yan. Gusto nyo ba ng trivia? Si Titing Sinillo ay naging player ko sa Interbarangay ng Barangay Bignay. Here comes Joe Maria Arguez. Arguez. David Bob. Now in, goes out. Set shot for 2 points. Rebound, pass by. Baseball pitch. Adrian Libo. Pull down there. Here goes Abaw. Beck. Here comes Beck Garbes. With 15 seconds in the shot clock, losing the basketball. Here goes Beck Garbes. 2 points. Beck Garbes. Score 63-56, pito pa rin. With 5 minutes, only shot para kay Titing Senillo. Kita. Time out by Titing. Another trivia, Joe Maria Arguez, coach of Barangay del Trillanes. Arguez. To Abaw. Abaw, baseline drive, baseline. Abaw! Villaseñor! Del Rosario. Titing Sinillo. Take it home. On behalf of Israel, foul on the floor. Foul on number... Eight seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Ang layo niya. Pasok. Abaw. Tuto ka ng Arguez. Arguez. Bring down the basketball. Mr. Basic. Goal! Florida. Takbo na lang ulit. 60, 63. Montes na katigan. Si Montes na agawan. Arguez. Aras by Manky Montigo. With 3 minutes 50 seconds. Foul on number 7, J.R. Montigo. Tatlo na lang. Beck Garbes, receive. Paso Apaw Villaseñor, looking for Jay. Binigyan ng pick. Apaw Villaseñor, naiwan. Miss, rebound. Fly high, Montes. Here comes Torres ang Sotaso. Bobby Francisco, aras tayo mo Maria Arguez. Bobby Francisco, pass to Titing Sinillo. Here comes Torres. Titing Sinillo. 3 minutes, 23 seconds. Lima ulit. Number 20. Hello, number. Arguez, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Mr. Basic. Please. Urban Steven. Nasa bukan, pero hindi nagawan. Titing pa rin. Urban Steven. First foul on Titing Sinillo. 14 points. Garbes. In the pass to Arguez. Arguez bring down the basketball crossing the midcourt line. Binigyan ng screen, tinong masyado. From downtown. Johnny Miss. No. ang lamang ng mga nakatilaw. Body shot for Michael Montes. Michael Montes completed the 3-point play. Completed the 3-point play. Third time scorer ang Puyes. Balik sa walo. With last 2 minutes on the third quarter. Crossing to the midpoint line, looking for his teammate. Nag-antay. Montes. Aras by conception. Pass to Michael. Another Montes. 6 seconds off. We have a loser. 70-63. Come down. Foul on number 6. Doro Samson. Third personal foul. Third. First try is good. Second try. Pasok ulit. Second try. From the bench, number 12, Negara. 70-66 with 45 seconds on the time. Third quarter action. Bobby Francisco. Make it through. Grab. Negara. Bata Pandarasa. Let it go. Renata Pandarasa. Joe Maria Arguelles. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Airplane. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Sorry, miss. Pag-apaw, Mila Senor. Score 72-66. Anim ang lamang ng mga nakatilaw. Pascual inbound. Paso Arguelles. Arguelles has it. Looking for his teammate. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Binibigyan ng pick. Florida. Arguelles pa rin. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Arguelles going for. And the ball goes out of bounds. It's 5 seconds. About the senior, sorry miss. Rebound, fly high. Ryan Montes. Negara. 2 points. Joseph Negara. About the senior to JC Marcelo. JC Marcelo. Bigyan ng pin mo. Florida. Here comes John. John to Florida. Jump shot. Miss. Rebound. Joseph. Joseph Negara to Bobby Francisco. Mga punturin drive. Bobby Francisco. Dangerous move. Aras by Abang de la Senor. Francisco pa rin. With 10 seconds on the shot clock. Play Mendoza, putback, Jesse Cabot. Johnny Bravo move, Patapan Cadosas. JC Marcelo versus Joe Maria Ruiz. Last by line, Fontes, Arquez. To Marcelo, Marcelo make his move, make his shot, come to Pascual, make his shot. Johnny Allen, Pascual, 2 points. 76-68, walo pa rin ang lamang ng mga nakabilang with 8 minutes, 15 seconds. Bobby Francisco, make the shot, right? Codino, 10 seconds to shoot. Taba, Matalas, Control. Megalis, Ivan, Ryan Montes, to Bobby Francisco. 10 seconds on the shot clock. This, rebound, Joseph Rivera, put back. This, rebound, Jackie Pascual. Forward pass, Joe Maria Ruiz. Looking for three. Mr. Basic. Takes up. And we have a whistle. Ballon. First try. Shoot. Second try. Two for two for Mr. Basic. Here comes Bobby Francisco. Lead down the basketball. Crossing to the midcourt line, looking for his teammates. Signaling the play. Pass to Brady. To Nicodino. Baseline drive. Another move. The ball goes out of bounds. Arbuyes. To Pinasinor. Back to Arbuyes. In 7 minutes, 10 seconds. 76-70. Team Gali top by 6. Arbuyes. Johnson. Not to become. Pero may foul. Foul number 12. Johnny Pascual inbound. Bravo. Set shot for 2. Abo! Pinasinol! (72-76), 6:35 on the game clock. Here comes Giovanni Cirillo. Pimausok si Baserto. Cirillo pa rin. Take his move. Take his move. Giovanni Cirillo. 2-5. 6 minutes, 20 seconds. Pong-pong. Arguelles from downtown. Nasa Jose tumira. Ryan Montes. 2 points. Sabrad, Adrian Ligot for Joseph Legara. First team foul. Bobby Francisco to Ryan Montes. They found Montes to Adrian Ligot. Adrian Ligot. Michael Montes. Ima, make a shot. Sablay. Rebound. Out of bounds. Binasila to Arguelles. 5 ang lamang. 80-75. 5 minutes, 10 seconds. Sinusundutan, inaagawan. Arguelles pa rin. Going strong. Arguelles pa rin. With 5 seconds on the shot clock. 10. Francisco. Michael Montes jump shot. Miss. Rebound. Titing. Sarino. Nasa tumama agad. Foul on number 5. Michael Montes. 5. Champion for the juniors division. dito sa North Field 1. Joe Maria Arguez, harassed by Adrian Lico. Binigyan ng pick, Pascual. Baseball pitch. Ryan Montes. Injury time out. Barangay Pera. Pito. 75. Pito. Arguez, 4-3, in and out, rebound, fly high, Montes, very small pitch, received by Adrian Lico, baseline drive, under side, Nabulas. Mr. Basic, here comes Joe Maria Arguez, abang Belisilio naman, hindi binigay, Arguez pa rin, Tuding, paso Arguez, binigyan ng big Tuding, baseline drive, Arguez, pero may whistle. On the shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Florida, receive. Arguez, looking for three. Step back. Pasok yan. Dalawa na. Apat pa pala. Sorry. Apat pa ang pala. 70-82. With 3 minutes, 5 seconds. Bobby Francisco to Ryan Montes. Ryan Montes, pass to Bobby Francisco. Bobby Francisco to Ryan Montes. Montes, Smith, rebound, Pascual. Timeout, Team Cali. Who's coming up? Para number 5, Michael Montes. Michael Montes acknowledging point, personal foul. Penalty. Games, 82-78. Apat ang labang. O yung mga bench, yung mga tao sa bench ng Barangay Pero Halos. Ulitin para hindi po magtuloy. Relax lang din. Baso. Back to the ball game. Pascual, shoot, ball 2. First try is good. Second try. Remaining 1 minutes and 51 seconds. 79-82. Pascual. Second try. 2-2. Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol at ang kalamangan ng Team Cali. Likod. Aras by Arguez. Back-to-back to Francisco. Aras by Arguez. Ryan Montes comes shot from the side. Ryan Montes. Balik sa apat. Joe Maria Arguez. Bring down the basketball. Aras by Ryan Montes. Binigyan ng pick. Arguez pa rin. Looking for three. Tumira sa Jose. Arguez. For three. Galing sa Jose ng tira pare. Jose. Time off. But we have Arbuyes pa rin. Alas kay Bobby Francisco. Binigyan ng pick. Abaw naman. Umarang. Abaw na iwan. Abaw. Kick out. Arbuyes. Green card. Dos lang daw, dos. Dos lang. Only two. Only two. Only two. Francisco. Blocking ball. One foul. Tatlo ka lang, sir. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute 22 seconds. Isa ang laman. Roy Michael Montes. Foul on number 5. Michael Montes. Lahat nakatayo na para mag-flash out. Michael Montes. Hindi na ako ni Michael. Hindi na marating ang bola. Chance to get the lead. Ang mga play. Arbuyes. Come on. With a million moves. Joe Maria Arbuyes. Point play. Erdo. Get down. Fly high. Titing Sinillo. Ryan Montes. Joint conception. First foul. Montes, tatlo ang laman, 88, 85, 51 seconds left. Rebound! Nakuha ni Ryan. Maybe a minute, Bobby Francisco, lahat nakatayo na. Bigot, with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Bobby Francisco, harap pa yung kapal. Bobby, Bobby Francisco! Time out! Barangay Pera! yung nagbigay ng plus seconds. Inbound by Joe Florida. Receive, Joe Maria Arbuyes. Alas na Adrian Ligot, binigyan ng pick. From downtown, Peace.